I do not know. Ubani owazi lokho? It's you umuntu wakhe. Mina ngiyakwazi lokho? Cha. So yini ezongenza ukuthi mina ngibe at ease ngokuthi fanele nginganikezwe ama results? Ayikho. Akwenzeki virgin ibe nesifo. I do not know emhlabeni kaMthombeni. Am I saying usisi uyagula? No. Am I looking out for all of us? Yes. Yini wrong ngokwenza into right? Ha, uMthombeni ngeke akunikeze leyo nto. Uzokunikeza ezokwenza ukuthi ufile engathi into ishilwe yini.
I see where Tobile is coming from now, because ever since kwafika uMaKhwela, Mthombeni has changed everything that they believe as a family, everything that they do as a family. Ushintshile ngoba we have to accommodate uMaKhwela. Ushintshe indaba yokuthi bekufika umfazi bekufika ini, that girl has to be tested and then ama results anikwe wonke umfazi. You get what I mean? And then indaba ye DNA bona they spoke and decided that okay, every child that is going to be born in future sizoyenza ama DNA test and every other thing that that needs to happen before he takes a wife or every other thing that they need to agree upon. So I see where Tobile is coming from, and he's like, he has changed the vision. He has changed the vision. I thought we are building here, but clearly we are not building. We are no longer building. It has changed. So I see it. Shame.